This is the third tier of the church building. What we've been doing this year is through this door I believe this will be an office area in here. To our left is a larger room, and what they're going to use it for, I haven't been told. I believe this is going to be another office when done. Go back this way. I was told this is going to be, if a family would come on a mission trip, they'd be using this room. A little bit larger. With bathroom facilities. We go a little bit further to the right now. This is where the mission teams would be. Trying to finish the painting before we have to leave. You can wait, Shelley. Okay. Bill, do a little bit of waving to this. I'm taking a tour of the building. There's Bill doing the rolling. Each one of these rooms will have a bathroom and shower. I had to show you the ceiling because that was some hard work getting it clean. But did an outstanding job getting it clean. Moving down the same aisle. The second room, same as the first room. With bathroom and shower. Across the hall, I believe are going to be some more rooms. Getting dark, but they will have. This window leads out to that larger room I first went to. So it does not have a window open to the outside world. And there'll be 3 rooms on this side of the hallway for mission group. At the end of the hall, patio. So what's actually going to be used for, I don't know. But there's the beds that will be fitting in those rooms. There'll be 3 bunk beds per room. Walk to the left, and we have this is it will be a toilet, bathroom. We got 2 of those, and we also have 2 shower units. These are the walls, open ventilation, and I would like to show you how close we are to the neighbors. That's the neighbors down there. Picture of the scenery. That's Tegucigalpa, Honduras. Tour done.